Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how we can create a professional website without writing a single line of code with the help of Jimdo. So what is Jimdo? Jimdo is an online platform using which we can develop our own professional website without single line of code. Of course, if you know programming and if you want to write your own code, of course, you can do that using Jimdo. But if you don't have any programming experience, that is also fine. Because with a couple of simple steps, you will be able to produce an amazing website, starting from your personal portfolio to e-commerce website. So the pricing is also very minimal. So you can see the pricing over here. Let me show you the pricing website. Yeah, see, to start with, it is a zero. Okay, so we need not to pay anything. And so the start package is starting from 300 rupees per month and 500 rupees per month for through plan here. I think which is very, very minimal according to me. Okay, so by the way, guys, this is not a sponsored video. I am just doing this video out of my own interest. So let's get started and let's create our first Jimdo website. Okay, so for creating the website, first we need to create our account in Jimdo and click on this login button. And we can log in using our Google, Facebook, or even if you have any other ID, we can do that. So I will be using my Gmail ID here. So let's click on that. I will use one of my Gmail account and it will take a couple of seconds to get it. And after that, yeah, you can choose one of the options if you want or if you don't. Let's do this, confirm. See, after creating, we will get a dashboard like this. Okay, so here we have two options for creating websites and logos. So which means using Jimdo, you can create logos as well. Okay, so let's create the website first. So for creating the website, just click on this new website. And here you have the options which I was talking about earlier. So if you know programming, you can go with this option, the editor for coding experts. So this is the option for you if you know programming. And if you don't have any coding knowledge and you just want to create a beautiful website without any coding, then choose this option. So I am choosing this option for now. Okay, so this is maybe the second step in this process. Now wait for another couple of seconds. See here. So another question. So basically, Zimdo is asking us a couple of questions. Okay, based on the answers, it will generate a beautiful website for us. So here the options. So is it for a single user or a group of people are working on this one? So this is my personal website. Let's say that. So I will choose this option and continue. And here again there are another options here. It's a personal project or event, or it is a project or a hobby or a project that I might like to turn into a business. Okay, so that is also possible, right? So currently it might be your personal project, but once you develop that, you might want to make it a business, right? So let's choose this option. This sounds like very practical to me. And after that, you have to give the name here. I mean, it is asking for, right? What's the name of your business or project? I will just give my name here, like a fish tech. Maybe that sounds okay, I guess. So now let's go ahead. I mean, it is showing me some Google Map address. Uh, yeah, you can skip this option if you want. You can give this one, but otherwise, yeah, you can simply skip this one. And after that, what are the goals of your website? So, what is your goal? So, whether you want to promote a physical business or get customers or get online booking, sell online. So, depending upon your, okay. I just want to select this one, show my work, because maybe I just want to show my YouTube videos on this personal website. Okay, so let's continue. And after that, add your own photos. Okay, if you have any photos, you can do that. I will just skip it for now. So for skipping, here is the option, skip this step. And let's wait for next step here. Okay, so now it is asking for the what your website is about. Okay, our website is about tech and IT services, right? or electronics and tech. So anything, okay, depending upon your business, you can choose it, guys. It might be online gaming or industrial service or anything. Okay, so let's select tech and IT services here. And now, what is your style? So which style you like? Let's take the modern style. Okay, yeah, that sound like yeah, interesting to me. You can choose any one of these options. Okay, so I will choose modern. And now it is asking for some color combinations. So I'm just randomly selecting this one. And now you see here. So recommended pages. That means which pages you want on your website, like a gallery, contact, services. Okay, it's up to you what you want to have. Let's do a portfolio. Okay, I will do, and I will have a contact, and yeah, maybe camp contact as well. So I will choose these three pages. That means on our website we will have these three navigation buttons on the top. We'll see that. Okay, how it looks. Let's continue. And now once again we are loading your starting point. Okay, yeah, cool. So we have two options here, guys. Here, so this is our one website. Here it's another one. So which one you want to choose? Let's take this one. Okay, so I will go ahead with this one. So there are some images under, and this is also looking good, right? Yeah, let's go ahead with this one. Choose this one and next. Yeah, cool. So there are some recommended domains over here. Okay, so if you want to have a domain, you can do that. I think if you are choosing one of those non-free plans, okay, that start or grow plan, right? With that, Jimdo is providing the free domain name as well. Okay, so it's up to you guys. I mean, if you want to go ahead with one of those plans, you can choose. But for now, I will do one thing. I will choose a domain later. Okay, I will just simply skip this step for now. Okay, so now I think it is building the website. Wait for a couple of seconds, maybe. Here comes your website. Perfect. So you can see here, right? So we can see our Office Tech website here. And as we have selected these three, gallery, contact, and portfolio, those navigations has come on the top as well. So see here, Jimdo has generated a beautiful website for us within like 5 minutes. Okay, so how can we make it public? For making it public, we just need to click on this publish button. Okay, so click on this publish. So after clicking on publish, you will get the URL which you can share with your friends. So this is the URL that is Jimdo is providing you. That means we did not select the domain, right? So that's why this is the like default domain name with the Jimdo extension here. So this is the website that we have created just now. Very beautiful, right? I think, I mean, this is very nice and very professional as well. And if you want to make any modifications to this website, it's pretty straightforward, guys. Okay, so let me show that as well. Let's say something like you want to modify the text over here. You can just simply click on that and it is just like your Word document. Okay, so like let me do this Office tag. Okay, so you can do anything over here. Okay, so if you want maybe change the make it bold or italic or maybe styles or anything. Okay, and I think even we can change the background images as well here. And if you want to add anything here, we can do that as well. So yeah, let me show that as well. See here, add a block. And if you're adding a new block, which block you want to add, maybe like something like this, our project. So here, okay, and maybe we can change the image as well, or maybe image or a video, anything we can choose here. See, let's choose this one. Okay, so it is taking a couple of seconds to update. Yeah, cool. See, we got our image here. So after that, you can simply publish. So after publishing it, you can go to your actual website URL and then you can refresh it. to get those changes. Cool guys, see, in couple of seconds, we got our updated website. This is pretty cool, right? I hope you like this video. Go to Jimdo website and try to create your own website. And if you have any questions, please mention in the comment section below. I will help you out. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.